got the new version of the tune, but I want to show you guys something. I'm about to flick this on. Oh! My girlfriend got me this for when I hit 100K around my birthday time. Isn't that sick? I'm thinking maybe we toss like some sponsor stickers around that like are around on the channel a lot, and that wall will be tricked out soon. It's a couple days later since the last time we drove, but I got version 26 on here. You guys missed version 25, and 25 was actually a great time. So this will be even more fun. Let's get her nice cold start. Getting warm, version 26, first ride. Did 14 pounds, and I realized that's because I was in iDrive. I needed to be in Sport Plus or Sport. Hello, wake up. Get a clue. April 17th. First official Commerce Bean merch drop. Last video you guys saw this t-shirt, and now the next product I'm going to show you that's going to be on it is this jet tag right here. turn for rumble with the Karma Speed logo on the other side. Came out pretty sick. I've always wanted to have my own jet tags, and the fact that it's here, heck yeah. Don't forget, Friday 17th next week, save your money. It's gonna be sick. I just ordered some ND filters, so the videos overall should be looking better on this new GoPro that I got, and the flicker should go away. I'm so sorry. Like, I tried everything. I can't do it yet. It's just not gonna happen, so bear with me. Then we're on version 27 of the tune, and we're getting close to being done. Marin wants to verify that the little bit of feedback knock that we do have is phantom knock. Basically, sometimes you just have like a little bit of knock, like negative 1.4, 2.8 or whatever, and it's not really knock, it's just the sensor picking up different things, like AC condenser turning on, or just different happenings that aren't actually knock, because the knock sensor is kind of like a microphone on your engine. And sometimes, you know, you get things that trigger that sensor and it's not actually knock. So we're just doing some things to make sure, and also we want to make sure that we don't have roughness on cylinder 1 or 3 at idle. But he did raise up the boost a little bit more, so we'll see what it makes now, and then we're almost on to putting some E85 in the car and then moving forward. So shout out to Marin at Goodspeed Performance, putting in work, helping us get this car moving, e-tuning. Doing a car that has a built motor and all this, he would probably much rather have done it in person. It would have saved him a ton of time, but he's willing to do this while Corona's going on, and he knows that all of you guys are watching, and he made it happen. So thanks, Marin. Car is warm. First rip on version 27. Here we go. This is the non-flame / surprise one for the guys who've been watching the previous videos. That is really, really fun. Car is running smooth. Very soon, once I get confirmation from Marin that it's good to go, we'll go for a funner drive than just around town, because it kind of gets old. I'm sure you guys try to watch me drive around the same area, so bear with us. One of the things that these Subarus do that other cars don't, from my experience, is that like 6,000, 5,000, 4,000, and like 6,000, 5,000 range, when you're decel, it's like, oh, it's so smooth. Like the vibration from the car, the motor, everything is so buttery smooth compared to a normal motor. It just vibrates a little different, and it just feels great. That's the one thing I really enjoy this car, is like, you don't realize, I haven't been able to have it high in the RPM range until recently, so it's like I'm being reminded that, hey, don't take that for granted. I thought for sure the Mustang would be the one that was like gonna get me in trouble, but at least for right now, jeez, when this thing's opened up, this thing is, it's definitely obnoxious. It doesn't come off like, oh, that's an obnoxious car. It comes off like everyone I drive by when we're like kind of on the gas, they're just like snapping their necks, shoving their kids off the sidewalk to make sure they're safe. It's just really, really aggressive sound coming at you, and people seem to freak out. To make sure our roughness has gone away, Marin wanted me to leave it idling for 5 minutes, so I'm gonna let the car chill now that we're home. After this drive, just to be safe, I'm gonna go ahead and let it cool down for probably 5-10 minutes and then check the oil. Always check your oil. If anything bad happens, your oil was probably low before it even happens, from everything that I've gathered or learned. So I'm always checking oil on all my cars before I drive, when I drive them hard, all the time. It's just a nice, cheap insurance. Nice sunset in AZ today, check that out. Quick commercial break. We've been showing you new products that are going to be on the Karma Speed drop on Friday, and this is one of them. Mark a stamp that you like building confidence in the garage, you just enjoy having like-minded car enthusiasts around you, hang out with buddies in the garage, all the above. One of the items on there are going to be these die-cut Karma Speed stickers that are 2 inches wide, super sleek, super subtle. You could put it in the center, you could put it in the lower, the top, the corners. I kind of like the corners. I'm going to do that on all the cars I get on the Mustang over there. So I need to throw one on my mini truck actually soon. But don't forget, Friday, 12 noon Pacific time. It's going to be awesome. A lot of time, sweat, money, you name it. I know you guys will dig it, along with the shirts. Show you some more stuff tomorrow. Let's get back to the video. Wish I had more content for you guys today, but I don't. I'm trying to upload every day, keep you guys posted. Appreciate you stopping by. If you like building confidence in the garage, hit that subscribe button. We're all about learning every single sports car model before we get it to after we get it in the garage, DIY modifying it ourselves, so you guys can go do it. Empower everyone. So if you like that, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Don't forget about the drop on Friday the 17th, coming very, very soon. It's gonna be sweet. I'm showing you guys new products in every video up to then, so don't miss a beat. I appreciate you. See you on the playlist on the screen.